फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। ये हमारा 2023 इकोनॉमिक्स का पेपर यूके बोर्ड एनसीईआरटी। ये हमारा सेक्शन ए, रीज़न ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ चॉइस इन एन इकोनॉमी इज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, टी एंड शुगर आर द वैल्यू ऑफ चेंज इन आउटपुट अपॉन चेंज इन इनपुट इज। एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ फीचर ऑफ परफेक्ट कॉम्पिटिशन। Question number second. In what type of economic system all the economic activities are organized through the market? Question number 3. What type of slope does a demand curve generally have? Question number 4. What the want satisfying capacity of a commodity is called? Question number 5. What the factor is called which the firm can vary in the short run? What do you understand by microeconomics? Question number 7. What is decreasing return to scale? Question number 8. How the total cost of a firm is calculated in a short run? Question number 9. What is the shutdown point? Question number 10. What do you mean by the price elasticity of demand? Question number 11. Why do two indifference curves never intersect each other? Clarify. Question number 12. Explain the concept of production function with the help of an example. Or in the following given table, calculate total cost TC and average fixed cost AFC. और table mention है. Question number 13. What are the determining factors of price elasticity of demand for a goods? Explain with the help of example. Question number 14. What do the long run marginal cost curve and the average cost curve look like? Explain in detail. Question number 15. What do you understand by non-competitive markets? Clarify. Or how do firms behave in oligopoly? Explain. Section B. Question number 16. The expense which raise productivity capacity is called. Next question है, meaning of deterioration in the purchasing power of money is. Next question, average propensity to consume APC is equal to. Next question, balance of trade BOT is said to be in defects if. Question number 17, what those goods are called which do not pass through any more stages of production. Question number 18, what the change in consumption is called due to per unit change in income. Question number 19, what does ceteris paribus literally mean? Question number 20, when did the goods and service tax come into force in India? Question number 21, what is a barter system? What are its drawbacks? Question number 22, why money is demanded? Question number 23, define investment. Question number 24, what is foreign exchange rate? Question number 25, how did macroeconomics emerge? Mention. Question number 26, what do you understand by repo rate and reverse repo? Question number 27, state the components of current account of the balance of payment BOP. Or what is foreign exchange market? Clarify. Question number 28, how is national income measured according to value added method? Explain. Question number 29, describe the multiplier mechanism in the reference of the creation of excess demand. Question number 30, what is deficit budget? Write its merits and demerits. Or how the fiscal deficit is measured? Explain.